Hi student, in this video we will see solution of exercise 3.1 of chapter number 3 square and square root from question number 1. In question number 1 it has been said that which of the following natural numbers are perfect square. Okay, we have to ask which the following natural number are a perfect square, and also we have to ask give reason in support of your answer. We have given 4 part. The first part is given 729 and we have to check 729 is a perfect square or not. Okay. So given number is 729. So first we have to find its prime factor. Okay. So 729 is divided by 3. So this is 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. Okay. Again 243 is divided by 3. So this is 3 1 is 3 and 3 8 is 24 and this is 3 1 is 3. Okay. And this is again divided by 3. This is 3 2 is 6. Here carries 2. So 3 21. So 3 3 7 is 21. Okay. And 27 is divided by 3. So 3 9 is 27. This is 3 3 is 9 and this is 1. So 729 written as product of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So now making the pair. So this is first pair, second pair and third pair. So here we see 729 can be expressed as the product of pairs of equal primes. Okay, hence we can say that hence 729 is a 729 is a perfect square number. Is a perfect square number. Okay. So the given number 5488 cannot be expressed as the product of equal pair of prime factor. Okay. So here 5 4 8 8. This is 2 2 2 2 and 3 4 3. Hence hence it is not perfect square number. Now move to the third part. The given number is 1024. So first find the prime factor of 1024. This is divided by 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 जा 4. Again this is divided by 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12. 256 is divided by 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16. This is 2 6 जा 12, 2 4 जा 8, and this is 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12, 2 8 जा 16, and this is 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. So here 10 2 4 can be expressed as product of prime factor. This is 2 into 2, first pair, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 1 2 and 2. Okay, so here 1200 10,024 can be expressed as the product of pair equal of prime factor. So we can say the given number is perfect square. Okay, this is perfect square number. The fourth part is 243. 243, we have to first find its prime factor. So this is 3 8 जा 24, 3 1 जा 3, and 3 2 जा 6, 3 7 जा 21, 3 9 जा 27, 3 3 जा 9, and this is 3 1 जा 3. So here 243 expressed as the product of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is first pair, second pair, and here one number are left. Here 3 is without pair. So 243 cannot be expressed as the product of pair equal of prime factors. Hence we can say 243 not a perfect square number. Okay, now move to the question number second. In this question it has been said that so that each of the following number is a perfect square. Also find the number whose square is the given number. Okay, the first number is given 1296, 1296. So first we have to find its prime factor 1296 by using prime factorization method. So this is divided by 2, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, and this is 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, here 324 again divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, and this is 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, and this is 81 divided by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, and 27 is divided by 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27, and This is 3 1 जा 3. This is 3 1 जा 3. So 1296 expressed as the product of 2 into 2 into okay, so this is expressed as 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is expressed as product of equal prime factors. Okay, so this is 2 into 2 and taking pair 1 3. So this is 4 square into 3 square equal to Now move to the question number 2. In this question, it has been said that so that each of the following numbers is a perfect square, and also find the number whose square is the given number. So here given number is 1296. So first find the its prime factor by factorization method. This is 1296. 1296 is divided by 2. This is 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. And again 640 is divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 324 again divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, and this is divided by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, and 81 is divided by 3. This is 27 and 9 3 1. Okay, so here 1296 expressed as the product of 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 1296 expressed as the product of equal pairs of prime factors. Okay, so this is a perfect square number, and also this is a written 2 पे power 4 into this is 3 पे power 4. Okay, this is this is written as 2 पे power 2 into 2 पे power 2, and this is a 3 पे power 2 into 3 पे power 2. This is a 4 पे power 2 into and 3 3 is a 9 पे power 2, and finally this is 4 into 9 पे power 2, 36 square. Okay, so 1296 is the square of the natural number 36. Okay, Now move to the second part. The given number is 2304. Okay, so 2304 can be expressed as the product of first find the prime factor of the given number. So 2304 is divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. This is 2 2 is 4. And again this is divided by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12, and 576 is divided by again 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16. This is 2 1 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, and 9 is divided by 3 into again this 3 is divided by 3. Okay. 2304 expressed as the 2 into 2, this is first pair, and 2 into 2, this is second pair. 1 2 3 4, 2 into 2, and this is a 3 into 3. So this is expressed as the product of equal pair of prime factors. So this is perfect square, and this is written as 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. 1 2 3 4, and this is 3 to the power 2, and now this is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 to the power 2. Here this is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8. Now multiply overall, so we will get 48. Okay, so the given number is the square of the given of natural number 48 square. Okay, 48. Now move to the third part. This is 3024. Again find its prime factor. So 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. This is 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. And this is 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, and again this is divided by 3. This is 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Okay children, here this is given 3025. Okay, this is not 4 5. Now dividing 3025. Now finding its factor. So this is so this is divided by 5. Okay, 5 6 is 34, 30, and 0. This is 5 5 is 25. Again this is divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5, and this is divided by 11. So here 3 2 5 expressed as product of 5 into 11 into 11. Okay, this is expressed as the product of equal pairs of prime factor. So this is 3025 is a perfect square number, and this is a 5 square into 11 square. So 5 into 11 whole square equal to 55 square. Okay, so the given number is the square of 55. So this is the required solution of question number first and second of exercise 3.1. Okay.